In this example, we will see how to use custom keywords from a CSV file. This feature is designed for studios and freelancers who use their own naming conventions for textures and channels. First, I create a new CSV template. MapFlow asks if I want to overwrite the existing file. I confirm. The custom keyword CSV file opens automatically. The format is very simple. Channel, keyword 1, keyword 2, keyword 3, separated by commas. You can add as many keywords as needed per channel. MapFlow will detect them automatically. In my case, I'm using custom names. For example, metalness uses a specific naming pattern. The normal map also uses a different name. By default, MapFlow cannot recognize these conventions, so we modify them in the CSV file. I apply the necessary changes. Done. I save the file and close it. Back in MapFlow, I enable Use Custom Keywords. If I want to use only my custom rules, I enable Replace. This prevents conflicts with default presets. I click Browse and select my CSV file. Then I launch the scan. As you can see, MapFlow correctly detects base color, roughness, metalness, and SSS radius. Since a SSS radius map is detected, I go to Materials and add some SSS weight. Otherwise, the texture would not connect. I now select the object. I open Hypershade and click Build Shader. Done. The shader is created automatically. The SSS radius is properly connected. Subsurface weight is set to 0.5. All textures are loaded correctly. Now I start an Arnold render. TX files are generated automatically. And the render is ready. Beautiful. Enjoy.